In this video, we're going to see how to explore data and build visualizations. So if you don't want to use the predefined viewpoints that you have here, but you want to create your own visualization, you can always explore data. And let's say you want to have a look at maybe all the Salesforce applications. So you might select several applications, and then you can switch to the reference context here on the left and select the different references you want to look at. So what are the other applications they connect to, the organizational units that consume them, the business capabilities, and the person. And you can always drill down a level below. So if I select application here, I also can expand my data set. I can add filters as well if I want to narrow the scope of my selection. I opened my two applications here, and I can modify the style of my view. For example, the layouts, if I want to change it, I can click it here. I can also add some grouping, like for example, grouping by component type or grouping by parent all, for example, which is going to give me the different level of hierarchies in the business capability workspace, for example. You can also apply some conditional formatting on any field. So, for example, the component is approved or not. So you can say, if this is checked, I want the component to be green, and then it's going to be rounded by a green color on the visualization. You can also apply some labeling, for example, on the application component. You can say you want to display the lifecycle phase and apply. You always have to apply the formatting you're putting. Layout direction, reference line, component style. You can choose what you want. Switch to other views, like block diagram, dependency map, a relationship view, or a timeline view. And all the formatting you have applied to one diagram is going to stay on the other diagrams as well. Once you are satisfied with the view of your viewpoint, you can save it. So if we create a new viewpoint here, I can add a description and so on and save my viewpoint. And then I'm going to be able to access the viewpoint from the home page now. I can see a preview of it and open it from any other application. So not necessarily the one I choose when I created the viewpoint.